I'm back! This is Lex Lasenio, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a chart in the MS Excel window. Come, let's start! First, open the MS Excel program. Then, let's encode the needed data. In this case, I'll use my family's monthly expenses. There, I'm done encoding the needed data. On column A, the expenses, and on column B, the amount. We then highlight all the encoded data. From the menu bar, click Insert and select the chart that you want to use. I am selecting 2D pie chart. You may resize the chart if you want it to look bigger. To do this, click and drag the corner of the chart, like this. Now let's format our chart. From the menu bar, click Page Layout, choose Effects from the drop-down menu, and here I choose Glossy Hue. I will now click the paintbrush on the left side of the chart to affect the format that you want. Still from the menu bar, click on the format and choose an outline from the shape styles. This time, let's do my favorite part, to change the color of the chart. Let's go to the page layout, choose colors, and pick your desired color. I'll pick pink here. Finally, click Design, select Quick Layout, and choose the layout that you want for your chart. Voila! We're done creating and formatting our chart. See? Isn't it easy? Did you learn something new from this video? I hope you do. See you again in our next episodes. Goodbye!